Hey guys, today I'll show you how to check if your Roblox account might have been hacked. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and tap on the More menu. From there, go to Settings and select Account Info. Now, check your account location. If the location doesn't match where you are, it doesn't always mean your account has been hacked. It could just be because of a VPN or an old saved location, but it's still a good idea to check. Next, go back to Settings and open the Security section. Tap on Devices where you're logged in to see every device that is currently signed into your Roblox account. Carefully look through the list. If you see a device or location you don't recognize, or you think someone else has accessed your account, take action right away. First, make sure the email address linked to your Roblox account still belongs to you and that you can access it. Then, change your Roblox password to something strong and unique. If it's available, it's also a good idea to turn on two-step verification for extra security. These simple steps can help keep your Roblox account safe and stop unauthorized access in the future. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe.